Hello and welcome to Rabbit Hole Engineering. So today I want to show you how you can use both for loop and while loop together. If you remember in our previous class, we looked at how to use while loop separately and how to use for loop separately. But in today's class, what we wanted to do is that we will embed for loop inside the while loop so that every time we go inside the while loop function, we will first execute the for loop function, which is counting function, and then once we finish our counting, we will exit the while loop function. But because a while loop function is an infinite loop, it will always continue to go back inside the function. So let's see how I've written the code. And my plan for this code is to do counting from 1. We'll blink an LED 1 time, and then take a rest, call a little delay, and then blink it 2 times, take a little delay, and then blink it 3 times, take a rest, take a little delay, and then like that until we count 10. So let's see, this is good for beginners. Okay, so this is the code that I've written. So nested for loop inside a while loop. So we have a while loop function, and once we first go inside that while loop function, what we're going to do is we are going to call a little delay, and then we toggle 1. That is, we are going to blink our LED. This LED will be blinked once, and after that we call a little delay. That is, after turning it off, we rest a bit and then toggle 2, and then it will count the LED 1, 2. And then we call a little delay and then toggle 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And then again we call a little delay and then we toggle 4 times. We'll do like that until we go to 10. So in the area, in the part of 10, it will toggle 10 times, and after that it will complete the function. But because it's a while loop, an infinite loop, it will always repeating that action throughout, as long as uh, uh, power source is connected or is supplied to the embedded system. So let's check this out and see how to play with this type of function. Let's go to the lab and see it.